Somebody help me.
Big Blue is trapped in hard mud.
Big Blue, let's move fast. Team, roll out.
I'll get Dinosaurs and cheer Big Blue up.
Don't worry, Big Blue, we're here now.
Sly? I can't move my legs at all.
Easy, Starwing. We lift the heavy mud, not Big Blue. Great lift! Now Big Blue has room to move. Big rocks can't stop Rhino Dozer! Path is clear. Bubbles can come in now. Warm water and rescue soap will make that hard mud melt away. Here comes the super scrub wash.
That was the biggest mud burp ever! I can feel my feet again. My foot is free! My foot is free! But my tail is still wearing purple pants. Thank you, rescue team! I'm clean and free!
One more push.
Soft push, slow push, safe push.
I can step again. Wobbly, but wonderful.
Final rinse coming up. One shiny dinosaur ready in 3 splashes.
I'm blue again! I miss being blue!
Tiny Spot, your muddy mission is over. Thank you, rescue team. You washed away my giant purple problem.
Whoa! Emergency dance mode activated.
Rocks cleared, mud moved, dinosaur rescue.
Every good wash needs a happy sparkle finish.